Springfield citizens who are looking for ways to get out of the house and get social might consider bowling as a potential candidate. Sunshine Lanes is one of Springfield's bowling alleys and perhaps a great opportunity to try something new and meet some people with a similar interest.
So Sunshine opened back in 1959. That's when it was built, and it started having leagues back in 1960. So it's been around for quite a while.
It only costs a few dollars to bowl if you're going there yourself or with your friends, and only $3 to rent a pair of shoes. Sunshine also has a variety of events you can attend regularly. But perhaps the biggest opportunity at the alley is the ability to join and form bowling teams.
We have leagues weekly here, daily actually. Going on right now is actually a big tournament going on. We host one of the largest tournaments in the country.
You and a group of others will face off against other teams, and with enough practice and success, you may perform in tournaments around the nation.
Yeah, every day we've got something for all sorts of bowlers, competitive, recreational, kids, adults, seniors, everything.
Sunshine Lanes is open to bowlers of any skill level, so don't feel hesitant to come and practice if you've never bowled before or aren't confident in your abilities.